This is a Dr Trust bestest compressor nebulizer 401. This I got it from Amazon one month back. This I used for 1 week. After using it for 1 week, I am reviewing the product specifications. Power AC 220 watts, 50 Hz, noise level, pressure range, light of flow range, nebulization rate, particle size, storage temperature, medication, and this is Nureka Inc. USA product, but it is manufactured, made in PRC. Made in PRC means People's Republic of China. You will get 5 air filters free. It can be used for both adult and child masks are included. Ergonomic handle, then low noise operation, efficient respiratory therapy, FDA approved. The features are effective medication delivery, one button operation, easy carry handle, complete nebulizer kit included, ideal for all ages, latex free, easy to clean, lightweight. The parts which are included in this product. Then last number MRP 3100, but the Amazon price is $12.99. Month and year of import December 2019. Net weight 1.5 kgs. This is compressor handle, easy to carry. These are vents, air vents. This is where we attach tube like this, and this is air filter cap. You will have air filter in this. This is a power cord. This will be about 6 feet, and this is power switch on off. This is air tube, or you can say hose pipe. This one side will be attached to the compressor, one to the nebulizer, and this is about 5 feet. This is one mask, adult mask. This is child mask. This is nebulizer, where we'll put nebulization medication. This is cone. You have to put it like this and then rotate, fix it. And this is cap, where airflow can be adjusted by rotating. So this nebulizer chamber, it will have 3 parts. This is cap, this is cone, and this is nebulizer. And we'll fix a tube, one end to the compressor and the other end to this nebulizer kit like this. It will be fixed and interpret. Then this is nose piece. This can be used for nose. This is mouthpiece. You can either use mouthpiece or mask. This is adapter. where it will be for nebulizer like this. Okay. And this you will get free with this product, thermometer. This is a nebulation test pill. This will not get it free. You have to buy. Whatever the doctor suggests, you have to use the medicine. You cannot use each and every medicine available in the medical shop. This medicine will be inside, and you will get 5 rest pills in this pack. This is duolin medicine, and whereas this is Budacard. So like this, so many medicines will be there. All these medications will be used for nebulization. So this you have to open like this. You have to rotate and put the medicine in the nebulization chamber. In the box we will get this guidebook also, where all specifications and how to use the nebulizer compressor and the safeguards. You will also get 6 months extended warranty free. But what I see in the product specifications, only 6 months, and here in the box also, on the box it is mentioned as 1 year. So this 6 months warranty you have to register in the website of the manufacturer, that is Dr. Trust. This is for review. Put this power cord, insert this power cord in the appropriate power socket. See whether this air filter is clean. Fix this air tube here in the other end to the nebulizer chamber like this. Now put this cone. Fix it properly. You can fix nose piece also if you want to inhale through nose. This is mouthpiece. You can use mask also if you want. You have to fix it like this and use it. Now put the medication. Rotate this. Put the medication in this chamber. Hold it firmly upright and put the medicine here in the chamber. close the chamber with this lid, and this is air filter. Adjusting the air filter is loose. Okay. Now switch on the power. The mouthpiece, you put it in your mouth between the teeth and close the lips. Inhale. You can control the airflow. The sound noise level is moderate. There is no irritation. It's okay. Some nebulizers, compressors, they will give a lot of noise. They will irritate us. But it's okay. This sound is okay. It's normal. And this it all depends on the inhale, the time. Say 5 to 10 minutes you have to inhale. And if the medicine is over, it gives cutting sound, then you can switch off. See, if I close the adjuster, the sound is different. You see, the flow is increased now. The sound also a little bit increases. If you close the hole, you are adjuster. See, sound also increases. The tabak is this, the adjuster it is very loose. You see, it could come out. That's average. Take the doctor's advice for using the medication and nebulizer. Nebulization should not be for more than 15 minutes. Compressor gets heated, so vent always should be open. There should not be an obstruction for these vents. Otherwise, it gets overheated and damage the compressor. Now heat is also not much. It's not very hot. Don't use the nebulizer without air filter. You have to put the air filter and then cap and then use it. It's almost over. So nothing, no mist is coming. Now you can switch off the compressor. Remove this. Nothing is there. See, few dots. Pardon, few dots. The wastage is very nominal. Now remove this.